Trying to see if price could retrace down here to this gap, and we're just gonna hold. Today is the day that I actually joined a community. I passed 2 accounts. This is with all free training, mind you. Ain't gonna lie, low-key slack today. YouTube, what's good, y'all boys? Back on another video. Real quick, I just want to say thank y'all boys for 400 subs. Had to get something posted for that, just to acknowledge that. Definitely did it. It's been a nice little journey. Let's just keep going. Next sub goal is 500. So if you're new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, make sure y'all boys hit that sub button. Welcome to the family. Today's video ain't really much going on today. I didn't take a trade today. I did take a trade yesterday. Yesterday, a trade idea presented itself. It tapped into the gap real quick and just took off. And then from there, price action wasn't really looking, I couldn't really find any setups from there. So I hopped off the charts a little early yesterday, a little bit before 11 o'clock. And I went on by my day. Today, the ideal setup happened. It was short-term longs right before price went bearish at 10 o'clock. I didn't end up taking that setup. Not that I didn't want to take it, but I just wasn't in the position to take it. Ain't gonna lie, low-key slack today. Got caught lagging. But I am looking at an ideal setup on gold. Trying to see if price could retrace down here to this gap, and we're just gonna hold for however long I can, actually, because this is a prop account. Can't hold a trade past 4. So yeah, we're just going to position trade gold on this one prop firm account. On our other prop firm accounts, we're going to just day trade futures and stuff like that. It's going to be a quicker vlog today, but like I said, I don't really got too much to give you guys today. Didn't take any trades. So today's video is just mainly going to be about how less is more when it comes to trading. Pretty much less is more when it comes to trading. Some people think like, oh, I need to trade every single day. I need to get up, make sure I trade every single day. When in reality, you're just exposing yourself to the market more. Some people think, oh, I gotta get up, trade every day, make sure I trade 5 times this week. And some people that are getting up 5 days out of the week to trade are taking more than 1 trade a day. The more you leave yourself open to the market, the higher the percentage you become a victim to the market. I know some people who take 2 trades a month and make 10K a month just off 2 trades. You don't gotta trade every day. I didn't catch a setup today. Don't gotta trade every day. Less is more when it comes to trading. You gotta be patient, stay patient. You gotta stay disciplined. Patience plus discipline plus consistency equals success, equals profitability. And if you don't believe me, look at all the traders that you look up to. The rest of the video might be recorded on my phone from this point on. I'm ready to go to work. That's just the main advice I got for y'all today in this video. I mean, when I was looking for trades yesterday and today, I could have just took any setup that I seen. Could have took anything. And I could have just sat around trying to force a trade. But instead I got off the charts, accepted that today is a no trade day, which is save money. This is my Apex account that I'm trading. I'm trying a new trading style with it. I'm trying to position trade on gold. Same exact setups I'm taking regularly trading my top step accounts. But instead I'm holding it longer. So I'm gonna be trying that with that. That boy's new here, hit that sub. And I want to get more information on this. Comment down below, let me know what positional trading is and stuff like that. I do got a tutorial video I'm planning on dropping soon. Just gotta work out a couple more things with it. I want to make sure it's good for y'all. So if y'all not subscribed, make sure y'all push that sub button, because I'm posting daily. Gotta go on a little 90-day run, so let's do it. One thing that I forgot to mention is that today is the day that I actually joined a community. Payment didn't get processed yet, but yeah, I decided to go ahead and join a trading community. Taking this journey by myself, by yourself as a trader, it could get a little bumpy, you know, and especially in the times that you are not doing so hot. I've been on losing streaks before. Having somebody who's been there before you, multiple people at that, who's been through the ringer with this, you know, who knows the game and stuff like that, it makes it a little bit easier to have somebody like that in my corner, especially having access to them like that. If y'all don't know who my mentor is, his name is Andre Diaz. YouTube is on the screen right now. Shout out to my boy Dre. Definitely somebody I look up to in this whole trading industry. If y'all don't know who he is, make sure y'all boys go check him out for sure. I did look at my stats for my last video. My video is at like 250 views, which is astronomical for me. I didn't expect it to, you know, go that crazy. Hopefully it continues to grow, and I can continue to grow and expand my following. But yeah, I appreciate y'all boys for rocking with me. Today is the day we joined this community. Ever since I switched over to Andre Diaz's whole community and group and everything, before like paying and stuff like that, it's just been all positives. I passed 2 accounts This is with all free training, mind you. I did not pay $1 for any of this training. All free. And I passed 2 accounts in 2 days. I passed 1 account in 2 days, and then I passed another account not too long after that. Whole different prop firm. And I'm just passing accounts using his strat. So if y'all boys want a strat tutorial, stay tuned to the channel. It is coming soon. I appreciate y'all boys for rocking with me in this joint, for real, for real. Can't wait till we at the top, bro. If you're new here, hit that sub button. Welcome to the fam. Let's start something here. Let's all grow together. Do this joint together, bro. It's as simple as that. I'm doing it, but y'all can be learning off me and my mistakes as I'm doing with my mentor. So y'all will see more content about that coming up soon. He does do like these like meetups and stuff like that. So I would say definitely stay tuned for stuff like that. We are taking a trip soon. It's right here on the screen. We will be somewhere next month at the end of the month from the 27th to the 31st. Yes, Halloween. So y'all boys stay tuned on this channel. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. See y'all boys, man.